I'm only taking one ride in these. This is the elevator at the Terminal 3 International Airport, Terminal 6. These elevators are very busy right now. One. This better be quick. Here he is. Why double chimes? It's going down. It's probably Otis elevator, I think. Look at these sensors. Come on, F4. I want to see these sensors. I'm only getting one ride trip on these. Capacity 3,000 pounds. There are your fixtures. One. Okay. Going down?
Yes.
What floor?
Just
Three?
Three. Yeah. Thanks very much.
Okay, I'm gonna do something. So watch out. I want the sensor. I like the sensors. The door. I like the sensors, right?
Oh yeah.
This elevator is so small for the 2-speed door. I don't know why. You have a good day.
You too, man.
Going down? Watch out. I'm only taking one ride in these. These elevators can be busy. It's very basic elevator. I'm gonna end it down. I'm gonna end my video at one. Fixtures. ERM buttons.